Hi, this is Team 4's pitch for revitalizing university settlement buildings. I'm Austin Wilson, a junior computer science major.
I'm Rucha Batchu, a freshman mechanical engineering major.
I'm Junsu, a freshman mechanical engineering major.
So our overview process was, first of all, we have two buildings that are falling apart and need another purpose. And since the owners want to keep the buildings instead of demolishing them, we incorporated these ideals by trying to turn the building into a sustainable learning opportunity, which was in line with the company or the owner's ideals. We started with the Mead building and decided to just gut the building and redo the inner wiring so that we could power the entire building with renewable energy, like solar panels. So we decided to focus on sustainable education via like green tech and technology that is sustainable. We decided to establish like training rooms from a small makerspace with compostable 3D printing filaments, or like making our own 3D printing recycling plants, and like having plant growing education workshops. And as time progresses, we're just going to try to transform the building into a living building.
Our solution fit, as mentioned in our process, is dividing the Mead House into 4 separate sections. One will be a makerspace where we can have volunteers from CWRU's ThinkBox or other places to come teach citizens how to use 3D printers, woodworking machines to help build onto this living building. We can use recyclable 3D prints. We can reuse those 3D prints to put them right back into filament. We can create filament from milk jugs and support recycling in the community. The sustainability section will help teach sustainable lifestyles such as recycling, composting, as well as educate the community on what types of plants you can grow at home via hydroponics or just normal growing things. We'll have multi-purpose room where we can have community workshops. This is more of a general space that we can use. Then you'll also have outside where you can have this, maybe a smaller community garden where the community can help build out this garden, and also have hands-on activities such as learning how to grow things, dealing with rainwater collection. All sorts of different things can be applied into this living building.
So on feasibility, there's an institute called International Living Future Institute. We can get help on making living buildings, and there's a hotspot on the solar panels. It's hotspot on the building, so that place is ideal for installing solar panels. And that building is surrounded by a green area, so making a garden will be a less problem than main buildings with lots of buildings. And if we use rainwater for the water, we can use less city waters. And on making a 3D printing recycler, we can save costs on 3D printing materials.
Yep. Thank you for listening to our pitch. Hopefully this can inspire thoughts on building sustainable buildings in the Cleveland area. Thank you.